you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn and Sarasota and Orlando. And we have the SpongeBob movie coming out this coming Friday, December 19th. So I figured, I'm having my car at the dealership. It's a great thing having a lease. One thing, they actually fixed everything. I went in there for a tire rotation and they noticed the seat, some of the leather was coming off. So they were like, yeah, we're gonna give you a whole new seat. So worked out great. So I'm here kind of early. I figured I'd do an early lunch and I wanted to try this Krabby Whopper here at Burger King. I had done the Grinch Whopper last time I had the car at the shop last week. So I figured I'd give Burger King a shot and see what theirs was about. So hope you enjoyed the video. It's the Krabby Whopper ahead of the SpongeBob movie coming out, The Search for SquarePants, coming out this coming Friday, so stay tuned. So this is our go-to Burger King here on Bee Ridge Road here in Sarasota. I know it's very cold back in New York, so shout out to all my friends and family back in New York. I know it's about 22 degrees today. You can come down and visit me. It's 73 degrees here in Sarasota. It's absolutely beautiful. But let's go in now and try this Whopper and see what's going on. Oh, we got a nice display here for the Krabby Whopper. Look at that. A little three-dimensional type thing going on there. I like that. It's pretty cool. Looks like they got cake and they got tater tots. Not bad. Hey, so we're here with Brett from Burger King. He's going to tell us a little about the Krabby SpongeBob meal. How you doing, Brett?
Oh, I'm doing just fine, thank you.
You're saying that it's selling out like crazy, huh?
Yeah, I guess corporate has underestimated the sales because there are a lot of people that grew up on SpongeBob and they're now introducing it to the new generation. So
yeah,
that would make sense. We've literally been running out of the pineapple frozen drink, and we also ran out on the pies, including crowns. And yeah, it's just crazy.
Did you grow up on it yourself? Did you watch it?
Of course, I was born in 1995, so
okay. I watched it all the time too. My son was born in '92, so I didn't grow up on it, but I watched it a heck of a lot, and I still love it. Are you gonna watch the movie coming out this Friday?
We'll see.
All right.
I mean, I haven't really given SpongeBob much of a chance since Hillenburg passed away, but I mean, some of the team members from the original are still working with the company.
Oh yeah, Tom
Maybe
Kenny.
I'll give it a chance, but at the moment, I haven't thought of that much.
All right. Have you tried it comes with the cheesy bacon tots. Look really good.
Okay.
I mean, I can't wait to try those. How are those selling?
They're selling like crazy too.
I love it. I love it. Well, thank you so much for stopping to talk to us, and I'm going to do a review on it, and I know I'm going to love it. I love it before I even got it, so I was sold at seeing the sign. Thanks a lot, Brett.
Yeah, no problem.
All right.
Thank you for
You're welcome.
Burger King.
All right, so a special thanks to Brett for showing up on my channel, and I'm going to show you this now. Check this out. So right off the bat, the McDonald's meal, which happens to be sold out for the Grinch, is sold out, but that one comes with socks. This one doesn't come with socks, but the Burger King meal also comes in a special box, and it comes, though, with all the specialties. So, like, the Grinch one comes with the socks, but I'm going to show you what this one comes with. So this one comes with the Patrick Star Berry Shortcake Pie. I'm going to bring this for Carrie. I'm not going to eat this one right now. I'm sure it's really good because their pies are always good. But without the upcharge, it comes with the specialty pie, right? It also comes with the Mr. Krabby Cheesy Bacon Tots. Now, this is no upcharge. This was $16. The Grinch meal, I believe, was the same thing. But I'm a huge fan of tater tots. I love tater tots. Comes in this nice, cool box. It looks like the Krusty Krab. A lot of focus on theming here. And now for the main Miguel. Oh, you got the Burger King hat there, too, the crown. Right? I should put that on for a picture. It also comes with the Mr. Krabby Cheesy Bacon Tots. Now, this is no upcharge. This was $16. The Grinch meal, I believe, was the same thing. But I'm a huge fan of tater tots. I love tater tots. Comes in this nice, cool box. It looks like the Krusty Krab. A lot of focus on theming here. And now for the main Miguel. Oh, you got the Burger King hat there, too, the crown. Right? I should put that on for a picture. Now, here's the Krabby Whopper. Now, comes in a nice wrapper with SpongeBob on it. Now, the difference with this is it's supposed to have a square bottom. A square bottom, which is really cool, like the Krabby Patty. So we're going to see that. And I believe it's yellow. So let's check this out. And I automatically like the way they wrapped it. As soon as I unfolded it like this, you see SpongeBob smiling at her. She's kind of like a little bit of excitement there before you eat it. I kind of like how they did that. Wow, and there you go. It's a yellow bun with a square bottom. So check this out. You got your square bottom on there, like, you know, square bottom. We all know about that. So you might be wondering how the bun is turned yellow. I asked them about that. This is actually turmeric. So turmeric is just a spice, and it's also known for working against depression and anxiety, more so anxiety. So anxiety runs in my family, so I know I get it. So this might be a good thing for me to have. So anyone out there with anxiety, you're feeling a tense day during Christmas shopping, you can go and have yourself a Krabby Whopper. It might help you. Okay, beyond this, you have just a standard Whopper. So, you know, it's kind of a toss-up. I mean, McDonald's was a little adventurous with the dill pickle peppers, right? The shaker fries. This is a little more straightforward. I'm going to give it a try, see how I like it. I'm sure it's going to be really good. But your standard Whopper, it's looking really good. Everything with the fresh ingredients. And, yeah, looks like a good Whopper to me. All right, so I just tried the cheesy bacon tots. These are pretty good, too. They taste a little more like not like really tots so much because they're a little flat. They look almost like chicken nuggets, so not really a lot of potato in there. It's kind of more like I don't know what you call it, almost like more like a chicken nugget, but I still like it. And I tell you, overall, it's kind of a stalemate, I would say. I mean, what's better, the Grinch meal or the Krabby Patty? I would say, well, if you're hungry, I would say this one is definitely better. This one also was supposed to come with a pineapple drink that they ran out of. And so it's fine for me because I'm a Coca-Cola drinker, so I just got the Coca-Cola. But I would say for just value and difference, the Burger King meal, the Krabby Patty meal is definitely better. If you want to be more adventurous and try something a little bit different than maybe the Grinch meal and having the socks, but it's kind of a toss-up. But I would say they're both really, really good. And I mean, for me, this one pulls at my heartstrings a little more because Matt and I always watch SpongeBob. Grinch movie was okay. I mean, I like Jim Carrey, but it was one standalone movie, whereas this is kind of more like an iconic franchise thing, and it lives on. So I would definitely say this is a nice little combination here. And just like the other one, you get this collectible box. Look at that. It's got the shape of a pineapple. And you got Gary on there, too. There's the Flying Dutchman. That's going to be his nemesis, right, in the next movie. And you got SpongeBob in there with the hat on. He's always got that hat on. And Bikini Bottom meal. Oh, let me show you the hat. The hat's pretty good, too, the crown. You got Patrick and SpongeBob on there. And then it tells you about the movie. They're doing a movie tie-in. Of course, there's no Grinch movie, except for the original one in 2000. But with the Burger King one, you have your Grinch one. And there's your Flying Dutchman. Again, the nemesis of SpongeBob in the next movie. And, of course, you got Mr. Krabs. And what was the old Mr. Krabs joke? Crabs are so cheap, they don't even change their mind. So before I end the video, just for you movie buffs out there, what's a buff, right? In the original SpongeBob, you might remember Mermaid Man. And Mermaid Man was voiced by this old actor named Ernest Borgnine. A lot of you might know Ernest Borgnine from, he was a really old-time actor. He won the Academy Award for a movie named Marty. So shout out to my friend Marty, who might be watching this. But Ernest Borgnine, he was in the Poseidon Adventure. A lot of people would know him from that. And probably also he played in the Convoy movie. He was in with Chris Christopherson. But he was the one who voiced Mermaid Man. And that was always a cool character because it was like this older superhero. The guy was like 85 years old, and he had his sidekick with him, and he was like 60 years old, and he still gets him like a kid's meal and stuff. It was just a lot of funny parts in the movie, and he was always taking these naps. So he passed away some years ago, and so he's not voicing the movie. But I just figured I'd throw that in there because I was always a fan of Ernest Borgnine. I always thought he was a great actor, just a regular solid actor. So enjoy. Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go out and get yourself a Krabby Patty Whopper while you still can. And happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa, Merry Christmas, and love you. Thanks for subscribing and for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.